Okay, we have this question, which is the B part of Math 111 of matrices. So given A equals to minus 1160 7 minus 1 and B equals to 213 minus 48 minus 1, that we should state with proof. We should state without proofs. It's supposed to be without proofs. Without proof. 1. And is A plus B defined? Let me just start with that one. 1. We are to state whether A plus B, is it defined? When you look at this is the same thing as we have minus 3 1 6 0 7 minus 1 and then plus this one is 3, this is 2 1 3, this is minus 4 8 minus 1. So you look at this is a 2 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. If it were multiplication, this can go, but because it is addition, it cannot. This does not define. It is not defined because the order is not. For you to do addition, the order of that matrix must be the same. So as a result of that, we can't do this addition. We can do this addition. So let's see the second question. The second question here, we have A times B that we should state. Is this the same? Remember, is it defined? We are to do it without proofs. So this is B times A. Now let's look at this carefully. If here is the same as minus 3 6 7, then this is 1 0 minus 1 multiply by this is 2 1 3, this is minus 4 8 minus 1, so that this will change the order. 2 1 3, then we have minus 4 8 minus 1, then followed by minus 3 6 7, and then we have 1 0 minus 1. So by looking at this is a 2 by 3 and then this is a 3 by 2. So this one also is a 3 by 2 and a 2 by 3. Actually, we can be able to multiply A times B, but for B times A, which is the other side, this cannot be multiplied because you multiply. Okay, yes, this can also be multiplied. If you check, this is a 3 by 2 matrix, this is also a 2 by 3 matrix. So this can be multiplied, this can also be multiplied because 2 times minus 1 and then minus 2 times minus 3 and minus 4 times 1. So both the left and the right hand side is also what is defined. So this is what is defined. This matrix is defined because the order of this matrix enhances multiplication. As a result of that, we can multiply both the left and the right hand side. Remember, the question said that we should state without proof. So as a result of that, there's no need for us solving by multiplying the left and also multiplying the right hand side. There's no need for that. So let's see the next question. The next question. So you can actually go further to multiply this one and see whether it's okay. it's fine, because by the time we multiply this one, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So let's see the third question. The third question there said that does B inverse, does it exist? Does B inverse exist? Let's see this. B is equals to 2, 1, 3, minus 4, 8, and minus 1. So this one here, you only calculate inverse of a matrix using a square matrix. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. So this does not exist. This does not exist because it is not a square matrix. This does not exist. So as a result of that, we draw our conclusion on this question. So this question, the first one, since it is addition, it is not defined. The second one is defined, and the last one does not exist because it is not a square matrix, a 3 by 2 matrix. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe for more, and comment, like, and also share.